Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to download songs with Chrome on phone. So I'm heading over to the Chrome application, and once you are there, just search for Pixels, search for it, and here head over to this website. Now here you will find lots of options. From here you can just search for videos or music, and let's search for it. If you can't find it in Pixels, just go to Pixabay, and head over to this website. Now you will find several options. Search for music, head over there. Now from here you can just tap on this download icon, and it will be ready to download. And you can also try to install the Pixabay app and then download it. So yeah, this is how you can download songs with Chrome on phone. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.